Hey guys, today I'll be showing you this LLM fit. Now, most people assume that open source models are heavy and that you can't run them. Actually, there are a lot of models that you can run, and this one, LLM fit, will show you which models you can comfortably run and which you cannot. So let's install it and see how it works. Well, it's a simple installation. All you need is Scoop. There's a Scoop installation guide right here for those that don't have it, but I'll show you an easier way to install Scoop. Open PowerShell and just paste this command. This command will install Scoop for you so you don't have to bother with it. I already did it. As you can see, I already have Scoop installed. So what's next is, well, we just install LLM fit. I already did, so we can skip this step and finally we can launch it. To launch it, all you have to do is just write LLM fit. And once you do that, it will detect your system hardware and it will give you a giant list of models you can run and their score and how good they can work on your machine. Of course, don't be intimidated. I know this looks like a lot, and it is, but don't be intimidated by this. You can customize it however you want. You can customize by providers. By pressing P, you can edit these values. You can go by use case. You can go by caps by pressing C. You can filter them out by which one is runnable, which one is perfect, which one is good, which one is marginal, too tight, and TQ plus fit. So we have a lot of options right here. And with this, you can see we have a lot of models that we can run. And as you can see, some are chat, some are coding, some are multi-model. So with this, you can know what your hardware can actually run. Well, I hope you guys found this helpful and see you next time. Goodbye.